Hey super swing traders, I hope you're doing good. Today we're going to take a look at some charts and see where we can identify supply and demand order flow and trade it for income. Let's take a look at pound yen on the monthly. I'm going to zoom in. Monthly created a supply zone up here and price is respecting it and it's making a downtrend, but now price currently reached this monthly area demand and forming a pause and then an engulfing candle, very strong, but it's got this blue EMA line as resistance currently, but looking to go up higher into this area of supply. Okay, this is not supply, this is an impulse. It's a bearish impulse, but it's not supply. So once price gets up to there, it could go down a little bit, but it's gonna eventually make its way up. Impulse is an impulse that is not confirmed as supply will not be powerful enough to reverse price. Okay, it could stop there and act like a resistance, but it's not going to be supply where it's going to do a reversal. Okay, so this is not supply. Supply is up here and up here. So once you go up here, then you want to sell. Okay, so that's what price doing right now. Monthly is technically in a downtrend, but because you can draw the downtrend trend line, you have supply created and price did retrace to the supply zone at one time and dropped and then came back up a little bit and dropped. Okay, so it's been tested one time and now it got to monthly demand zone and demand is in control, so we want to go long. Alright, so the weekly, you see it was in a downtrend, but then downtrend was broken by these two wide body candles, formed a new area of demand down here. Price did not, depending on how you draw it, I don't draw it like this, but I draw it like this. So price may or may not touch it. In my case, it did not touch it, and then it rallied. This is strong area of supply on the weekly, but since we know that this area of supply is located right here, we know that the higher time frame demand zone is in control. So these lower time frame supply zones that are well formed are gonna get taken out because the higher time frame demand zones are in control, and so we don't want to short that low in the curve. Okay, so this is what we have. We have this up here is an obvious supply zone, so we want to we want to wait for price to drop here. It did confirm to us already that price is making the move up, but we don't want to buy here because what if it drops? It could. We want to see price do this and then form little candles back down here and then form that and we buy. Okay, or you already know that price you already know that price confirmed that it's going up already, so you can draw the trend line like this. This is kind of tricky, but yeah, like this. So if price drops like that to make a big drop, or ideally you want to see price do this, you want to see maybe another one and then drop like that, and then it confirms that yes, price is This is a valid long. And just remember, guys, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not telling you where to buy or sell. Just giving you my trade ideas on how to trade GBP, JPY using supply and demand and trading those imbalances. Okay, so that's what we have on the weekly. If price wants to do that, then we buy. Okay. Okay, so that is what we have on the daily. We have price did a rally based rally, and this is pretty strong. Price will probably go, oh sorry, this is not looking too good. Okay, my drawing's not that good. Okay, price can go here and it can rally, but eventually it's gonna break all the way down to this area because this area is stronger, but it doesn't mean that it cannot bounce from here. But this one it's got, I'd say from this zone to this zone is only about 1 to 1.5. So you're risking all this just to make 1 and 1.5. So the risk reward is not really good. So that's why I don't like to, I just draw it, but just to see if it's gonna hold if I come back to it a couple of days from now. But I don't trade it, and I don't trade this. I want to trade down here because this, I'm only risking this and I can make a potential, 5 or maybe 6 R. So I'm only risking this much and I can make all the way up here. And versus this, I'm risking this big amount and I'm only making like 1 to 1.5 R. So this zone is not really good. It could work, it could bounce a little bit here and there, but I want to trade down here. And down here is located down here on the weekly, so it's very strong. Okay, so very strong risk to reward down here. And then 4 hour is 4 hour, you just have to buy wherever it's located inside the daily demand zone. Okay, so that is the analysis on GBP JPY. I hope you guys found it helpful. If you did, press the thumbs up button and subscribe for more videos, and I release a new video every day. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you for watching this video. Please remember to give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed it and leave a comment below. If you're not already subscribed, please click the subscribe button below and click that little bell icon. That way you'll get notified of the next video that I publish. Thanks again for watching.